Okay, if you'd like to dance, then this story might have some appeal. Jill, do you like to get out there in the evening?
Sure, why not? But it doesn't look like dancing to me today.
Okay, well, let me explain then. It's time perhaps to get your dancing shoes ready because renowned Argentinian troupe Fuerza Bruta, they headline this year's Singapore Night Festival, and that takes place from the 23rd to the 31st of August.
That makes sense. Fuerza Bruta, or brute force in Spanish, is a ticketed event, and that will take place at Cathay Green from the 29th to the 31st of August with 3 shows each night.
The audience will be treated to laser projection and aerial performances and even performers tumbling out of giant balloons, all accompanied by thumping beats they can dance to.
Fuerza Bruta has had sold-out shows in over 60 cities across 34 countries. They last performed in Singapore in 2012.